video 3 apps that you can use to earn money while you're watching your TV. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If it's your very first time of coming across this channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. And if you've been here before and decided to come watch this video, thank you. Your time is so much appreciated. This channel is Online Cash Craft. What we do here is to talk about any way you can earn money online. You're one of those people like me that love to earn money online. You are in the right place. Do not go nowhere, stick around as I take you step by step and show you how you can earn money by watching TV. And this process I'm going to show you today is very simple. It's legit. It's something that you can do wherever you are. And yeah, so stick around with me and I'm gonna take you step by step and show you the apps that you can use to earn extra money online. I mean, these apps I'm going to show you, you can earn as high as $500 a day. So guys, the very first app that I'm showing you today is an app that is called Lootup. So Lootup is so good because they allow kids like 13-year-olds to use this app. And how does it really work? So what you need to do is you download the app on your phone. Have a laptop. If you have iPad, you can use any gadget of your choice to do this. Now, what they do on the platform is you sign up. And when you sign up, you're going to go through surveys. This is how this platform works. So what you do is the moment you sign up, you're going to go look for high surveys that you want to complete. Now, when you see high paying surveys, you go ahead and you complete the surveys. This is the process in which you earn money using Lootup. So for you to receive customized surveys, you have to make sure you've completed your market survey profile. So your market survey profile is what will enable them send to you the kind of customized surveys they want you to complete. So this is very important if you really want to complete the kind of surveys that will earn you a lot of money using this particular platform. So how do you earn? You earn the points by watching videos. So the moment you sign up, you look for tasks on the platform, and as you watch videos on this particular platform, you are earning points. Search and discover as well new content. So when you search and you discover new content, you use those new content and you complete the surveys around those new content that you have discovered, and you earn money with that. Another way you earn money with this app is you earn by playing video games on the app. So if you download the app, you look for video games, you play the video game, you're earning points on this particular platform. And you can also collect bonus through giveaways that they do on the platform as well. All you need is just search for the giveaways and earn the bonus from there. As you're earning the bonus, your points are being added up. And you find out that at the end of the day, you're going to earn a lot of points that you can either cash out or you use them to convert to gift card that you can spend across so many stores that they have on the platform. Now there's what they have that is called offer wars. So you can as well use their offer wars to get a lot of opportunities to earn more points and to get more money. So earning more money, you are earning additional points to the ones you have already accumulated. This is how this platform works, guys. Now the question is, how do you redeem your points and cash out the money that you have earned on the platform? And there are 3 ways you can get your money. You either get it through cash, gift card, or through cryptocurrency. So guys, with Lootup, you earn rewards by completing simple tasks on the platform. They have redemption options. You can either redeem your point via Visa, Amazon gift card, or Walmart. You can also redeem your point via Google Play. So they have a lot of redemption options. Even PayPal, you can also redeem via PayPal or Bitcoin. At the end of the day, whatever option that you choose is okay and available on the platform. Now the question is, how does this work? The very first thing is you have to sign up to the platform. Now when you sign up to the platform, the next option will be for you to look for surveys you want to complete on the platform, and then you earn. It's as simple as that, guys. Very simple. Just 3 simple steps you have to take to earn on this particular platform. Thinking about how does this work, right? You can earn rewards anytime, anywhere with simple daily tasks. This is how good this platform is. This is something you can do anywhere you are in the world. You can take part in this and earn extra money. And you can also take high-paying surveys through this particular app and select the topics of your choice. At the end of the day, it's entirely up to you the kind of topics that you want to select to earn money on the platform. You earn your points by watching videos. You search and discover new content on the platform. That is how you earn your points on this particular platform. We have what is called contests and giveaways. So through contests and giveaways, you collect more points, and the more points you're collecting is called bonus points. Now it comes to partner offer wars. What is partner offer wars? With partner offer wars, you receive additional earning opportunities. If you want to do this, you just click on here that says get started. This is how easy and simple this particular platform is. Guys, the next platform that we can earn money by watching videos is SwagBucks. We all know that I have always been talking about SwagBucks on this platform, because SwagBucks actually is the platform that makes you earn a lot of money by you doing surveys, watching videos, the video games, and all of that micro task that you can complete on the platform. SwagBucks is so easy and simple to sign up with. All you need to do is go to their platform, complete the signing up process, and when that is done, you go to the dashboard and you look for videos that you want to watch. The videos following the instructions they had put down for the videos you're going to watch. And when you are done, their payment methods are so fantastic. You check out the payment method that applies to your location. And that is it. SwagBucks is an amazing platform. This is SwagBucks, guys. So there are different ways you can join. The moment you join, you get $10 bonus. You can join using your Google account or your Apple account or with email. Entirely up to you. So if you have already registered, you just click here that says login, and that's it. And how does it work? After signing up, tell us about yourself to get personalized offers, redeem gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or get cashback from PayPal. So get paid to do what? To answer surveys anytime, anywhere, wherever you are. This is possible. Not location restricted, no. So what do? You click here that says sign up, and you sign up to the platform. Cashback shopping online and install sign up now. Millions of people on the platform, people that have used them, what they are saying good, amazing things about SwagBucks. So they have paid this members, they have paid this amount of money to members around the globe. Is in millions, guys, and they have issued that over 7,000 plus gift cards, that have been redeemed daily from popular merchants and restaurants. And they have 1,500 and more of retailers to earn cash back from. So You got so many retailers that you can use. Look, these are the popular merchants that they have. Available, guys, for your smartphone, and you can download it via App Store or Google Play. And then the rewards, right? The rewards: PayPal Cash, Amazon Gift, and yeah. So ways to earn: coupon and cashback, answer surveys, discover deals. These are the ways you can earn on this platform. So what are you waiting for, guys? Sign up and start earning. Sign up and start earning. Yeah, so this is how it works. Now the third one is an Amazon app that you can actually use to earn money while you watch TV. Earn money online is a platform that is called Droid. Droid is an Amazon platform. It's an Amazon app that you use that to earn money. How do you use Droid to earn money? You complete surveys just like the first one we did, and you watch videos on the platform using the app, then you earn money. If you want to sign up to this is an amazing Amazon app, mechanical app that you can use to earn extra cash from their platform. So how do you go about using the Amazon Mechanical Turk? The way you do it is you just download the app. When you download the app, you're expected to carry out some micro tasks on the platform. Now, the micro tasks you're going to complete will be for Amazon clients in exchange for cash. So they are the ones that are called the requester, the Amazon client you're completing this task for. Micro tasks you're going to complete on this particular platform is you are completing surveys or answering questions on the platform. How do you go about doing this? The very first thing is you download the app. Like I said, now you're gonna select the task that you want to complete. That is watching a video, right? So they have videos there that you click on the one that you want to watch. There are ways you can do this to earn money, trust me. Even if you're at work or you're doing something, you can play the video and mute it so that the noise doesn't come out, obviously, while you carry on with whatever thing you're doing. And as you're working, you're doing your own thing, the video is playing in the background. Because it's playing in the background, it's assumed you are watching that video, obviously. And as that is happening, you're getting paid for watching the video. Let me quickly say that with this kind of things, you don't earn a lot of money, but sometimes you can earn up to $40, $50, even $100 a day. There are people that are so serious with this, they earn a lot of money. It's not much, $100 a day, but because the task comes so quickly, you find out that you have a lot of tasks to complete on the platform. And because you have a lot to complete, it adds up. So at the end of the day, depending on why you want to do this, if you put in your time, you're gonna earn more than that because the money comes quickly like this, and there are loads of tasks that you can complete on the platform. Go into the app and you find work. Now, what is the work you're going to find in this particular platform? So for you to find work on this Amazon Intelligent Talk, you would have to browse through the jobs they have there. When I mean jobs, I mean the micro tasks that they have on the platform. So when you browse through them, you select the work that you want to do. That is the task you want to complete. And when you're done selecting that, the next stage is for you to accept and complete the work, to submit it. The moment you submit it, the requester is going to be the one to assess the work you have done. And it is also the requester that pays the participants on the platform. That is the one who puts out the request for participants to do the work, and when they are done doing the work, it is also the requester who assesses the job they have done, and also the requester who pays the participants on this particular platform. So the moment the requester approves your work, your earning is ready for you to use. They have different platforms that you can use to either cash out or get your pay via gift card or Bitcoin. So how do you sign up to become a participant on the platform? You download the app, the place that says sign up, and you're good to go. Now, it might interest you to know that it takes up to a week for your signing up process to be approved. How do you withdraw from Mechanical Turk? Simply go to your dashboard when you've signed up and you've earned from the platform. Now you click on the place that says withdraw. Follow the prompt from there. When you click on withdraw, you have to select your preferred payment method. To enter the amount that you want to withdraw, click on withdraw. How do you get started? Amazon Toast. When you get started is you go to your browser and you type in www.requester.mtalks.com. Click on create an account. Allows you to put in your name, your email address, and you just follow the prompt and complete the signing up process. How often do you get paid? You can actually schedule your payment for every 3 days, 4 days, 10 days. It's entirely up to you. The process, you can get your payment via Amazon gift card, via cash into your bank account. People are earning a lot of money using this Amazon Mechanical Turk. Anybody can use it to earn extra money online. Thank you guys for staying to watch this video. Let me know what you think. Are you going to try these apps that I just showed you? If yes, leave a comment in the comment section. Once again, you might want to click on the subscribe button to give me a subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And yeah, thank you so much. You might want to watch the video up there, and I wish to see you in my next. Thank you.